Welcome to Isimi Lagos, the first ever wellness city in Lagos. Isimi Lagos is owned by Landwey Homes and it is situated on 124 hectares of land on the north side of the Lekki Lagoon, which is a significant confluence between technology, architecture and nature. Isimi Lagos is in Ekpe, one of the fastest rising locations in the heart of Lagos, in fact the southwest of Nigeria. Isimi Lagos promises to be one of the best cities in Nigeria. Is a nature abiding city. It's a Yoruba word that means rest or peace of mind. This name was carefully chosen because it best captures the experience that Isimi Lagos represents. Isimi Lagos is your best destination for work and play. It is the perfect meeting point for all lovers of nature. It is also a microgrid city. This waterfront city will definitely change the face of Lagos. Also, this is a $152 million project. Wow! This is beyond Lagos real estate, or better put, real estate in Nigeria. Just like the Landwey Lakes Golf and Country Estate, Isimi Estate is the modern day city that is setting pace for any other golf and country estate in Lagos. The widening of Lekki Expressway makes the estate more accessible. So the Lekki Free Trade Zone, the Lekki Deep Sea Port, and even Dangote Refinery are not too far from this location. So the estate is strategically located for you. Invest. You need a plot here.